Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a current favorites video for you guys. I'm really excited to share with you guys a lot of, great items. And I also have like a little additional giveaway within this video for you guys. So without further ado, let's just jump straight into the video. So the first items I have to share with you guys are two body lotions, in particular the Diptyque Eau Rose body lotion as well as the Jo Malone Nectarine Blossom and Honey body and hand lotion. And they smell so good. This one, the Diptyque one just smells like classic roses. It's very light, not overpowering at all. And then the Nectarine one, very girly, kind of fruity. I feel like this one's a little bit more mature. It's great for unisex, but also it just smells really feminine as well. Like it smells like classy ladies. This one is a little bit more fruity, a little bit more playful, a little bit more summery, light. So depending on what flavor or what scent you guys prefer, pick and choose, but they're both really, really good. They have like a lot of different scents. We also have the pear one, like the English pear freesia one in my house, but my boyfriend always compliments this Nectarine one. So guys, this is the way to go. So yeah, first two items. Following the two body products, I have a couple of makeup items to share with you guys. So the first product is the Nars Light Reflecting Setting Powder, pressed powder in the shade Translucent or Crystal. It's called like their Nars 大白饼 on like 小红书. It has this little like powder puff. People, rave about this, but I just don't want to get it dirty, guys. So I usually use it with like a powder brush. It just looks like this. It's just a white powder, but it really, really, really mattifies your skin. It makes your skin look super duper matte, but not like very, very dry looking, not cakey. It's not gonna settle in your fine lines. This is really good. It's my first one and I really, really like it. So the next product is also a Nars makeup item, and this is the Nars lip gloss in this shade Unbroken. I saw this on 小红书, of course, and I was like, this is so pretty. Yeah, it was out of stock for so long and I saw it at the Grove and I just got it. So yeah, it's just the most beautiful natural pink shade. It has a little bit of gold glitter. Okay, so I just put this lip product on. It's really, really, really pretty. It just looks great on top of any lip product or like, lipstick that you guys have, but it also looks great by itself as well. Like by itself, it's a really beautiful, transparent, glossy color. Just really beautiful. So yeah, this is Nars Unbroken. So the next product is actually an Urban Decay single eyeshadow in the shade Space Cowboy Niulang, very, very popular as well. This little packaging just does not do the color justice. It's the most beautiful single eyeshadow. Like I was always like, I have a lot of glitter eyeshadows. I really don't need to get this. But then the more I saw people wear it, I'm like, that is just so beautiful. Now I totally understand the hype. I really understand why people love this color because it's so beautiful. Literally looks like the freaking galaxy on your eyes when you put it on. The Milky Way type of vibes. Love it so much. So the next couple of items are also part of a giveaway I'm going to include in this video. I've partnered with YesStyle and they're going to be sending out 2 sets of these 4 products for you guys. So I'll talk about the rules in a second. So these are essentially just 4 really great skincare items. I've been testing them out for a little bit before recommending them for you guys. And essentially they're from the brand Haru Haru Wonder. So essentially the first item is a Haru Haru Wonder Black Rice Moisture 5.5 Soft Cleansing Gel that is unscented. Basically this item does a great job of cleansing your face and your pores without leaving your skin super dry. And then we've got the Haru Haru Wonder Black Rice Hyaluronic Toner. You can use it with a cotton pad, but I also like to use it just with my hands and patting it onto my face after, cleansing. And it really, really helps to moisturize deep into my skin barrier. And then this is the Black Rice Hyaluronic Botanical 2GF Wonderful Ampule for intensive repair. I really, really like this item. It's just a really nice thick serum. Put this on after the toner and your skin just feels so moisturized and plump. Lastly, this is the Black Rice Eye Cream with retinol for reduced appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Has cica and collagen. It's this really cute little bottle, which is really sanitary, guys, because you're squeezing this eye cream out instead of like the traditional pot format where you have to like dig in with your fingers. So this is just really, really sanitary. But essentially the giveaway rules for a set of these Korean beauty products is to be subscribed to this channel and also follow YesStyle influencers on Instagram. I'll link them all down below. And like this video and also comment down below your favorite skincare item or like a skincare item that you like must include in your skincare routine every single day. Pretty simple rules, really excited. Haven't done a giveaway in a while. So yeah, let's move on to the next couple of products, guys. Okay, so the next couple of items are just my all-time favorite this summer. Just love them so much. Justine Clenquet jewelry. Guys, I probably have like 10 of these boxes or something. I just am obsessed with all their stuff. This is a set that I got last year. Pretty sure these are called the Sam earrings, but they're just so freaking cute and just, I love it so much. I guess I'll just share with you guys a couple more pairs that I have. Like, should I do a collection or something? But the bracelets are also really cute. Like this bracelet is like silver. It's got this little chain of rhinestones. So this is another bracelet. I'm pretty sure this one like matches my earrings because it's got like the 猪鼻子 little sheds, you know? Super cute as well. It's got this little silver chain just dangling. I have this set which I wore yesterday. So it's a little like pink heart type of vibes. And then this little chain on the other side, which is really, really cute. This is another set, basically just has this little silver ball. And then this one is like, it just looks like a chandelier, does it not? Has a little silver chain as well. You guys know like silver is like my go-to for jewelry. Oh, I also have this set, which I wore for my university graduation, convocation. Really freaking pretty. Like it just went so well with my dress and heels. Like this is so pretty, guys. Looks like this. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. I love it. Has this little clear crystal, love, and then this side is beautiful. It has like this just rhinestone chain, man, and it's just so beautiful. Guys, this is another new set. Looks like this. So on this side it has this little silver chain, and then on this side it has like a little, you know, the same chain, a silver longer chain, as well as this little pink rhinestone. So pretty, so cute. I'm obsessed. You guys know I love earrings so much. I've got 5 piercings on both sides of my face. Justine Clenquet, love them so much. Link a bunch of them down below from SSENSE. All right, guys, so this next product I've been using every single day, just cannot sleep without it. This is the Laneige Sleeping Care Lip Sleeping Mask. Kind of jumped on the bandwagon a little bit late for this product as well, but I'm like obsessed. I put on a super thick layer before I go to sleep at night, and when I wake up in the morning, my skin is, or my lips are just so soft. They have a bunch of different flavors, which I want to try, but this little tub is gonna last so long. But yeah, I've been using it every single night. It's one of my favorite steps, you know, in my like night routine. So definitely try it if you guys haven't already. And the last 2 items I have to share with you guys are some perfumes from Jo Malone. I just have a lot of body products I've been enjoying lately. These are just 2 perfumes. This is the Jo Malone Peony and Blush Suede Cologne or perfume, and this is the Jo Malone Myrrh and Tonka Cologne Intense. This is, I'm pretty sure, like part of their unisex line, but this one smells so good, guys. It just, oh, this one smells so good. It smells like a really good cologne. Like it smells a little bit more masculine, which I really like. This is so good. My boyfriend got me this in January, I'm pretty sure, this year. It's just so good. I've been using it a lot. It smells amazing. Like all of the, you know, 前调,中调,后调, like all just hits so good. So love this. This one, Peony and Blush Suede, is like my first Jo Malone perfume, and I still love it so much. I first heard about it from Joan Kim, one of my favorite, you know, blogger, influencer, content creators on YouTube, Instagram. She's amazing, and this scent is so good, guys. This is probably like my favorite scent. These 2 are my favorite scents, probably gonna be forever. So good. This is just the most refreshing, light, floral scent that's like girly, but also kind of like not too girly at the same time. I'm so bad at describing scents, but this can probably be unisex as well. And you know, their line of perfumes, you can mix and match and just do a lot of different layers. All right, guys, so that is all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I had so much fun talking about all these current favorite products of mine because I've genuinely just been loving each and every one of these items. And don't forget to enter the giveaway. You know, you could win 4 really amazing K-beauty skincare products for your summer skincare routine and transition into the fall. So yeah, I hope you guys had a great time watching today's video, and don't forget to check me out on my other social media platforms, always linked in the description box below. I hope you guys have a great day or night wherever you guys are, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye! Mwah.